What's up, guys? Welcome back. We're going to get into the cleaning of these Olive 350s. We're only going to use water and air. This one's been to a festival, got all kinds of dust. Do not use water because water and dirt equals mud. So I'm just going to use some air. Look at that. Gets in all the creases. You don't have to worry about anything changing color. Air, compressed air. That's all you need. Then I'm going to hit the sole with some water. Big ups to Jason Mark on the brush. Hit that bitch with some water. I don't have a before and after picture. I did these so fast and the customer picked them up already, so apologize for that. But, bam. There you go. Thanks for watching, y'all.